Well, hello everyone from Math 1435, Pre-Calculus 2. It's Professor Wenson here, again welcoming you to week 3. So in this video I'm just going to be going through, like I did in the first couple weeks, just going to be going over the week 3 module that should be open up to you in Canvas right now to show you what's coming up this week, what I would recommend you do this week, so that way you can keep a good pace in the course and not feel too overwhelmed later on. I would recommend you keep pace with this. Alright, so here's what the week 3 module is going to look like. On the very top you're going to see the welcome to week 3 video, this thing I'm currently recording. Alright, and I'm just going to take you through all these pages, and it has a very same structure, a very similar structure to the previous couple weeks. Every week's going to look pretty much the same. They start off here with the week 3 overview. So welcome to week 3. This week I recommend that you do the following. Read your OpenStax book, section 7.3. Watch videos I provided to you in Canvas, for section 7.3. Do the Newton Alta homework assignments for section 7.3. You got 2 of them again, section 7.3 part 1 and 7.3 part 2. Do quiz 3, which is on the material from section 7.3. Both these assignments material will be on the quiz 3. As you've seen every week, all the Newton Alta homework assignments are due by the end of the semester, by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, May 9th. Alright, so you can work ahead if you want. You can hold off if you want, if you're busy this week. Just don't hold off on things for too long. Quiz 3, every week a new quiz opens up, and once it opens up, it is due at the end of the semester. You have the entire time till 11:59 p.m. Sunday, May 9th. You have 10 attempts at these quizzes. You don't have to do all 10. And your best score on these attempts will count toward your final grade. That's the score that'll show up in Canvas. Of course, if you come across any quiz problems where you feel that you should have been marked correct, you actually typed the right answer in, or you were very, very close, but only off by a little bit because of a tiny rounding error, let me know. Send me a message in Canvas just to say what quiz, what attempt, what problem. You don't need to send me a picture of it. I can just go to Newton and look at it myself, and I'll determine whether or not I should give you those points back. And of course, if you have any questions during the week, you can send me a message in the Canvas inbox, or go to discussions, and there's that class questions discussion page. If you want to post a question for the entire class to see, that's fine too. And of course, have a great week. Alright, then you have the pages for each section. Now you got the next page here is, there's only one section this week again that I recommend you do just to keep a good pace in the course. Section 7.3, titled the Unit Circle. You got your objectives, what you're going to be expected to know how to do or be able to do at the end of the section. You got a link to the book, the section of the book. You click on that link, it'll take you to OpenStax, and you can read section 7.3 and practice the exercises from the book and whatnot. You can do all that stuff in the website here, just like you would with any other book. Or you can read the book in Canvas. If you just look beneath here, you got the book here in Canvas, and you can scroll through the section 7.3 here in Canvas. Just make sure your cursor's outside that so you can scroll below it, and then you have some videos related to the topics. Let me just get rid of the OpenStax page. You got some videos coming up here that are related to the topics at hand. You got the objectives mentioned and some videos related to that objective. So you can watch these if you wish as well, if you're struggling with the reading or with the homework. And then below all those videos, you got Professor Dave Friday here from Macomb. Another professor at Macomb has put together a playlist just with three videos here on. You can click on this and play any one of these. and they're also very informative. And then beneath that you have the links to the Newton Alta homework, right? The assignments. So just click on one of them. Now there's part 1 and part 2. Don't forget to do both of them. And you're going to have to open it up in a new window and all that. Right? Okay, so that's how that works. And again, you're probably used to that by now, right? We're 3 weeks in. All right, so let's get back to the section 7.3 page here, and that's it for that page. All right, you got the book, the videos, the links to the assignments, and please do both of them. Don't forget to do both of them. Then after every section, and you've noticed this in the first couple weeks, I have my own videos where I go over the Newton Alta assignments, just to kind of give you a little guide as to how I would work through them. So you can, and sometimes you see I go to paper, and you can play it here. Just hit the play button, or when you hit the play button, you can see the YouTube thing. You can watch it in YouTube if you wish. Doesn't matter to me. So that's the section 7.3 part 1 assignment, and then I have my video where I go over the section 7.3 part 2 assignment. And what I see in the version of the assignments I'm looking at isn't exactly what you see. There's a lot of problems in Newton Alta, so it's going to be different for every student, but the objectives are the same, the material's the same, how you would go about the problems are the same, so hopefully you can use my videos as a nice guide. One thing I have to mention about this video here is there is a part of the video where I make a little calculation error, but then I catch it a few minutes later and fix it. So like if you see me make a calculation error in this video, this section 7.3 part 2 video, just know that it gets fixed in a few minutes, and it's all fine. And I apologize if it causes too much confusion, but I hope I fix it well enough to where you understand what's really going on. Then after the videos for the Newton Alta assignments, then you have your quiz 3 in Newton Alta, where you can again click on this and open it in a new window, and and do your first attempt, second attempt, whatever attempt. Remember, you have up to 10 attempts, and just take it through Newton Alta. And the best of your 10 scores is what shows up in Canvas. And that's it. There's no other page after that, and I think chapter 7. So that's it for the week 3 module. I recommend you cover section 7.3 from your OpenStax book and do the 2 Newton Alta assignments. Please try to do that in the quiz by Sunday. Get that done this week. Don't put it off too long. Don't wait till the very end of the semester and have too much to do and be overwhelmed. All right. So if you have any questions throughout the week, let me know via Canvas, or post them in the discussions, the discussion page. And have a wonderful week, and thank you for watching.